After spending the rest of my summer in California, I am back in New York just in time for fall. Let's start today's video with an unboxing of my new MacBook Air. For our first family road trip, we drove all the way out to Riverhead for Harbes Orchard. It's my nephew's first time going apple picking. Of course, I had to get apple cider donuts and a slush. I also went apple picking with my friend Erin at Fishkill Farms Upstate. It's known to have the best apple cider donuts. 10 out of 10, worth waiting online for. I will be uploading a separate video about this trip. We are flying down to Miami for my nephew's first birthday celebration. This is my first time flying first class on a short flight, so here's everything I ate. I wasn't able to get too many photos on this trip because I was busy chasing him around and just taking pictures of the family, but here are some shots. The fall season is coming to an end, which also means all the doctor appointments, scans, and testings has finished for me. After some post-op healing, I am so ready for new adventures this winter. I ordered the Frank Darling's Try at Home box where you can choose any 3 ring styles to test out. It's the cubic zirconia version of the rings. Kind of want to get a sense of how different stone shapes looks on my fingers, so this was a good way to do it. And what better way to close the year out than with some caviar. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.